This is your interlock module replacement. This is an E450, not the model that you have, but it should be in relative location. You have to remove this lower panel. This one pops on. Yours may pop on or bolt on. With this one, I have to remove this panel. So I removed the hardware to drop this panel down. Right here is your module, and it is literally unplug corresponding plugs. Remove the screws, and all the hardware is the same. So when you reinstall the new one, plug in your harnesses, and they can only go one way, different size plugs. And then you're able to start your vehicle, set your park brake, go through your safeties, your lift switch, open your lift doors, and you will be good to go. And then reverse the process of how you took everything apart, and that's the process.